Okay, girl, let's get into it. Let's talk about this wig because this wig has been all over my Instagram and I am ready to talk about it. So first of all, today's video is being sponsored by YWigs. This is their 24-inch Yaki straight lace frontal wig. This wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline and bleached knots. However, I did go in and bleach the knots again just to make sure there's not little black dots, hiding within the lace. So yeah, let's talk about this wig, honey. First of all, the dips and curves in this wig is insane, as you guys can see. And even though this wig doesn't look like it's pre-plucked a lot, it's enough for me. And you girls know I usually like for my wigs or my hairline to look super thin, but this hairline is what I needed. So in regards to the lace, I have the details in front of me and I'm not really seeing anything about whether this lace is HD, Swiss, clear lace, all the different type of lace that is out here now. So I'm just going to say this is like an HD lace because it looks really good. I know it's not clear lace, but it's an upgraded lace for sure because the way this lace is laying on my skin, and like I don't even have it glued down, but you can't see the lace. Girl, it's a winner. And then you already know the Yaki texture is my absolute favorite. Now I love the density on this, which is 180%. It's not too full, but it's not too thin. With the Yaki texture wig, they can get really big and really full. So I love that this wig has the perfect amount of density to it. So in this video, because I am just in love with the dips and curves on the hairline with this wig, I'm going to be doing my baby hairs a little different today, and that's why this wig has been up and down on my Instagram because I'm just in love with the hairline. Like, get into it, y'all. Get into this pre-plucked hairline and look how flat this wig lays up against my skin. This is just absolutely a beautiful texture, beautiful wig. Of course, you already know you can't go wrong with YWigs, like, period. Okay, now I'm a little disappointed with the part in this wig. So like I love that you get like 6 inches of parting space. Here for that, love that. However, I did have to go in with concealer and clean up the parting space on the wig, and I did have to go in and pluck the part as well, just to try to get it to look a little bit more natural and get rid of the hairs that's in the middle of the lace, which is preventing it from looking like a clean middle part. That's the only drawback that I'm really experiencing with this wig, is just trying to get that middle part to look more clean and just, more nice looking basically. So I'm going to go in and kind of flatten out the hairline some more. I am using the hot comb a lot on this wig just because I want the hairline or the roots on this wig to be super flat and pressed out, but I still want that texture to the hair, and that's why I love this texture so much, because regardless of how many times you straighten this hair, it's still going to have a full blowout look, and I just love it. So yeah, honestly, this texture is pretty whether you straighten the hair or you wear it in its natural state. But because I want like a pressed out look, I'm just going to straighten the hair. So yeah, get into it. So when it comes to doing my baby hairs, I have been loving using a flat iron. Now, I've been doing this for like the last few installs, but I really saw it being done a lot on Instagram, and I just decided to give it a try. And girl, I tell you this, I'm not going back to doing my baby hairs any other way. I love this technique. Like, look how easily look how easy it is for the baby hairs to blend right into my hairline. And also, I just discovered that if I use the back of the edge brush or whatever you want to call it, it definitely helps with making the baby hairs look more soft and more thin instead of using the brush on the comb when it comes to, you know, swooping in your baby hairs. Like, I just love this look. Like, this is the look that I've been going for a long time and just haven't been able to achieve the look for whatever that reason may be, girl. Probably just because I didn't know what I was doing. But this wig, this hairline was just perfect for the style that I wanted. So you already know the vibes, like, for real. Okay, and so I'm pretty much done doing my hair. I'm just going through, just straightening the hair one more time with the hot comb. Why, girl? I don't know. But, like, get into it. Get into it. Look how flat this install is. Like, I love my hair, my baby hairs like this. Like, it is so cute. And it kind of adds, like, a little bit more of a round shape to my face. Like, girl, I love this look. So get into it. Make sure you check out the details on this wig below, because it's definitely a wig you want to spend your money on. And I mean, like, you can never go wrong with the YWigs. Like, they just come through with the clutch every time. So yeah, all the information will be below. Thank you for watching, and you'll probably see this wig some more on my Instagram, because like I said, I'm just in love with it. So thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.